Good morning, learners. Today we will study grammar chapter number 2, noun. What is a noun? A noun is the name of any person, animal, place, thing, material and even emotions or ideas. Okay, noun is the name of any person like John, Delhi, Chennai. Name of animal, cow, goat. Name of place, Delhi, Kolkata, Mumbai. Okay, so these are means any names are noun words. Okay, next is kind of nouns, types of nouns. Noun is a proper noun names of particular places, persons and objects like John, name of a person, Delhi, name of a place, Chennai. So these are the name of a particular place, particular person and particular object. These are proper noun. Next is the common noun. A common noun general name of places, persons or object. Okay, general name like boys. All boys are in boys. Okay, Ram, Sham, etc. All will come in boys. Park, chairs. Okay, general name of a place, persons or object. Next is collective noun. Collective noun names of a collection or groups of persons, animals or things forming a unit like army, mob, nation. These are collective noun. Abstract noun. Abstract noun names of qualities, ideas, emotions and such thing which we can't see or touch. Okay, like friendship. Friendship we can feel but we can't touch or see. Honesty, beauty. So these are we can't see or we can't touch these things. These are abstract noun. We only feel these things. Next is material noun. Material noun names of materials or substances used as ingredients for making things like water, iron, steel. So these are material noun. So student, is it clear what is proper noun? Name of a particular place, a person, object. Common noun, general name of places, person or object. Abstract collective noun, names of a collection or group of persons. Abstract noun, name of qualities, ideas, emotions. Material noun, names of material or substance like water, iron and steel. So first start exercise first. Identify the different kinds of noun in the following sentence and name them. Try to do it yourself. Like first one, Dhoni. Dhoni is a, what will come? Dhoni is a proper noun. So write P here. Dhoni is a proper noun. Batsman. Batsman. Then what is batsman? Batsman is common noun. Okay, I am writing C. C for common noun. Next is he has good knowledge. The knowledge. Knowledge is a noun but it is an abstract noun. Okay, knowledge is abstract noun. Write A. A for abstract noun, here write A. I am writing A. And cricket. Cricket is also name of a game but it is a common noun. Ravi. Ravi, name of a person. It is a proper noun. And wisdom. Wisdom is abstract noun. Next, for making the dessert, we need sugar, milk and honey. Sugar, milk and honey. These are ingredient to make a material. Okay. So, these are material noun. Okay. These are sugar, milk and honey, material noun. And dessert is a common noun. Okay. It is a common noun. Writing C for it. Okay. A herd. Herd of cattle, collective noun. Herd of cattle is collective noun. Write C. I am writing C and L. You write full spelling in your notebook. C, collective noun, herd of cattle. And farmer and backyard. These are common noun. Okay, common noun. Is it clear? Next exercise is, next we will do countable and uncountable noun. Okay. Now, countable nouns are the noun that can be counted. Okay, we can count them. Countable nouns that can be counted, and uncountable noun that cannot be counted. Okay, books, pens, pencils, these are countable. We can count them, so these are countable noun. And milk, sugar, tea, we can't count them, so these are uncountable noun. So let's do next exercise. Identify the countable and uncountable nouns according to the context. The first one has been done for you. Do this, from second. Books were distributed among the children. Then books and children, both are countable. Both are countable noun. Kindness, kindness is uncountable. I am writing you. Okay, you write full spelling. Kindness is uncountable. Dogs, dogs countable. Okay, how much sugar? Sugar is uncountable. Uncountable. Cake countable. Okay, glasses countable. They eat a lot of fish. Fish is countable, but they eat a lot of fish here, so it is uncountable. We should cultivate good manners. Manners are uncountable. His work for the day is over. His work is over. Work we can't count, so work is uncountable. Music is uncountable. Have you finished your project? Then project is uncountable. Clear? Okay, next is collective noun. Okay, collective nouns refer to a group or set of animals, persons or things forming a unit, like herd of buffaloes, flight of geese. Students, in your textbook in page number 15, grammar book page number 15, given all collective nouns. Write down all these collective noun in your notebook. Next is fill in the blanks with appropriate collective noun. First one, the award ceremony was a constellation of stars, since all the popular cricket players were present. There was a long, what will come? There was a long dash in front of the stadium. There was a long queue. Wherever Danish went, a dash of puppies followed him. A dash of puppies, what will come? Litter of puppies. General Sharma headed a dash of soldiers. Then many soldiers will come, battalion of soldiers. On my birthday, my best friend gave me a dash of flower. Then bouquet of flower. It is amazing to view a dash of geese in the sky. Then flight of geese. Seventh one, let us bring a dash of sticks for the bonfire. Then bundle of sticks. What will come? Bundle of sticks. Next is the during the war, a dash of ships guarded the coasts. During the war. Eighth one, during the war, a dash of ships. Then fleet of ships. And ninth one is the piece of paper lay among the stack of books. Ninth, this is ninth. Okay, and 10th one, a dash of sailors boarded the ship. This is crew of sailors. Okay, completed this exercise. Next is abstract noun. Abstract noun refer to things that cannot be seen or touched, such as quality. Okay, we understand the quality, we feel anyone's quality, but we can't see or touch. Idea, concept. Okay, these are the things we can feel only, so these are abstract noun. Abstract noun, here in your textbook, in your grammar book page number 16, some abstract noun given. You have to note down these all in your notebook. page number 16 and in page number 17 also given. So in these all you have to note down in your notebook. Okay. Next is fill in the blanks with the nouns form of the words given in brackets. The first one has been done for you. The generals, here brave is given. Okay, then brave will change into bravery. You have to make abstract noun. Okay, brave change to bravery. Bravery. Write down. I am telling only spelling. Bravery. First one done. Okay, second. India gained dash in the year 1947. Free is given. Then you have to write freedom. 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 Okay. Written. Next. The dash of the rope had to be 5 kilometers. Long is given. Then long change to length of rope. Okay. length, length. Written. Fourth one, ozone layer gives us dash from the harmful UV rays of the sun. Protect. Then protect change to protection. 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 Written. Okay, next is we attend her dash ceremony on Saturday. Marry will come marriage ceremony, right? MARRIAGE. MARRIAGE. Marriage ceremony. Okay, complete it. Next is every school should ensure the dash and security of the student. Safe will change into safety. Every school should ensure the safety and security. Then SAFETY. Right spelling. Safety. Next is his dash about cricket is more than any of his peers. No change to knowledge. KNOWLEDGE. Written. Okay, next is Indian team protested against the umpires decide change to decision. 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 Written. Next is John's ignorant change to ignorance. John's ignorance. 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 Children should avoid movies which depict violence. Then violence. Which depict violence. VIO.